Hello and greetings once again from Japan. It's April the 11th and today we have a 2009 March Hiace with the 2-liter petrol engine. It's got 24,000 miles, 39,000 kilometers. It's from a TA auction, so it's a nice car. It's got a couple of dents on it, which I'll show as we go around it. So what do we got here? Front corner is nice and clean. This one has 2018 radials, very nice, in very nice condition. There is a soft dent here. We'll try and get photographs so you can refer to the Dropbox photo link for detailed photographs. And there's also a little soft dent there. The rear corner, again, no damage. These taillights are rather large and a lot of them get cracked, but these ones are perfect. And these rear corners as well are prone to bumps, but it's all very clean. Rear bumper is clean. Thankfully they haven't reversed into any parking pillars. Okay, it's got remote key, and we can probably produce a second one. I'll just unlock it. It's also got two spare keys. And take a little look in the inside. So it's got the well cab interior. This interior is one of the cleanest I've seen. The ceiling is just immaculate, just like new. In fact, the whole car is it just hasn't had a lot of use. Obviously 39,000 kilometers. You would imagine this one was probably owned by an institution rather than a rehab company. The rehab companies obviously use the cars a lot every day. The institutions themselves, the old folks' homes, not so much. Anyway, very clean interior. Even has the smell of a new car, which is surprising. And there is one tiny little ding there, right on the middle of the door there. Again, nice clean corners, clean tail lights. Uh-oh, the sun's coming back. I was hoping you would stay out. Little dent here. And also on the sill itself. Scratch on the door. Again, we'll just take a little look inside. It's got the, whatever you call them, the skylight windows. Some people like. It's got the air conditioning for the rear. The front ceiling also. Definitely no smoking in this thing. And the bulkhead carpet's very clean. Yeah, just all the plastic. It's very nice condition. Very nice. They can be quite scratched up, which is usually quite cleanable, but this one is just really clean in the first place with the automatic step. This one doesn't have a power slide door. Most of the later ones don't, actually. This corner, nice and clean. It's a nice, very nice example. Somebody looking for a conversion unit. It's mileage makes it very attractive, and the general condition. Okay, take a little peep on the inside. We've already unlocked it. So it has remote locking and unlocking. The driver's seat is perfect, no tears on the edges, another common occurrence on some of these, and no ripping of the carpet. The design on these commercial vehicles, you tend to get a lot of wear right here. This one, you've got very minimal wear at all. Very clean steering wheel, and also door card. Let me just climb in here. I'm tall, but still high up. And let's start the engine. Okay. Then just not much to show in here. Air conditioning controls and nice clean dash. No nasty scratching, which can be an issue on this kind of car. I presume there's a staff members getting in and out of the front. And again, the seats is very clean. On the auction sheet, it mentions a cigarette burn. I mean, there is absolutely zero evidence that this thing has been smoked in, and there's not one single mark on the seats. Anyway, it's Toyota, so Toyota are very picky about their own cars. Exceptionally picky. I'd like to show you the underneath. We will do photographs, but this car looks like new underneath. If you can see, there we go. It's just like new. There we have it. 2009 March, so 09 plate with 24,000 miles. Toyota Hiace. All right. Thanks. Speak again.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@japautoagent.com.